You're about to experience the most effective, innovative custom grip developed to date. Welcome to Rat Grips. At Rat, we've developed a custom grip system that will give the shooter the perfect grip every time. With no shop work or smithing needed, the Rat grip will need no permanent modifications and no residue behind. Here's how you do it.
Step 1. Unload firearms and remove all ammunition from the room. Wet the surface of a heat-resistant area to assure the Rat grip does not stick when heated. Step 2. Heat the grip until it starts to lay flat. You will notice the surface will have a wet, shiny look, indicating that it's ready to be applied. Be sure to keep your hands wet throughout the entire process, as the Rat grip will be very hot from heating. Step 3. Pick up the grip and position it on the carbine, assuring that it's firmly adhered to the front. Be sure to keep hands wet throughout the process, as the Rat grip will be very hot. Step 4. Reheat the backside, as it will have cooled quickly, and wrap and press in the edges, molding it into the grip. Reheat and move the material around to achieve the desired coverage, keeping your fingers moist and pushing the leading edge out in front of you. By repeating this process, you'll be able to move the material around to any desired position. A flat tool or surface can be used to straighten out corners and smooth edges. Step 5. Reheat the grip and mold the exact impression of your hand into the material. Once again, getting hands wet before handling the hot material. Grip and release until desired impression is achieved. Step 6. Reheat the entire grip and apply the optional texture cloth. Rat grip cools rapidly on the surface after it's been heated, so you'll want to do this process quickly. Step 7. Remove texture cloth after grip is cooled. This process takes about 5 minutes depending on the room temperature. Inspect for any uneven areas, remove any residue left by the texture material, reheat and apply the texture as needed. As you're holding the grip, using your free hand to press the material in firmly. You find an area you don't like, just reheat and retexture. The application process becomes easier and you will become more skillful as you continue to use the product. The entire process should take approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Thanks for choosing Rat Grip.